Okay, makalang. Hi, good morning.
Live
Yes.
from
Saan ka?
Iceland.
Where in Iceland? Where? Where in Iceland?
Akureyri, Iceland. Vancouver, BC.
Ako, nakarerere.
Akureyri.
Ako, nakarerere. So, we are at Akureyri. Akureyri, Iceland. It's beautiful day. Oh. Naiwanan kami ng tour. Yung unang trip at 10, maraming tao kasi doon. So ngayon, maglalakad kami sa downtown. That is our ship doon. That's our ship. Akureyri, Iceland. Okay, I will show you. I'll show you now Akureyri, Iceland. Mas sabi niya, Mitch. Oh, ito pala yung mga naggaganchilyo sa on board. May pala sila, club. Oh, this is Akureyri, Iceland. Magandang panahon, hindi umuulan. Maganda. Welcome to Akureyri. Oh. May amoy. Ano ba yung amoy na yon? Isda? May amoy ah. Ha? Do you smell?
Tanong ko sa daw, gusto na mag-botanical muna bago mag-center.
Sino? What do you mean? So you taking the bus? Okay.
If we pass her, we're going to be in her video. I don't think we should do it. Just tell me that. I know, but if we pass her, we're going to be in her picture.
Bagay, magandang maglakad pag umaga. It's now 10 o'clock in the morning. I think it's September the 1st today. Yan yung mga tour. Puno na. Daming tao. Booking. Oh, yeah. Booking at northtour.eu. Okay. Ay, maganda pala dito. Ayan yung mga, bahay. Ang backyard nila, oh. This is Iceland. Halchacharchar. Oh. Halchacharchar. Mga tourists from the ship. Oh, yan naglalakad. Pwede naman tayong mag-bus nito, oh. No, kaya din, magulo. Magulong kausap. Oh. Oh. Oo nga eh. Yeah. 40 shop. Ayan o. This is Akureyri. Hi, madam. Welcome to Iceland. Welcome to Iceland. Ito yung unang lake. One-way ticket. One-way ticket. Oh, yun yung mga bahay nila. Ibang-iba sa Canada. Matataas dito. Ang bahay.
Inubo ako sa Iceland.
Welcome to Iceland. Okay. Dito lang malapit sa port, this area. Okay. I will go on live again mamaya. We'll take picture first.